Welcome to part 2 on setting up a basic Django project. Time to install Django and create a Django project. Gonna follow this post in my blog, link in the description. Alright, first thing, let's open the command line and go to the desktop so we have the things around us and easy to access them. If you haven't activated your virtual environment yet, go on and activate my first env. Now, when you have it activated, go on and do pip install Django. Django will be installed in my first env. It will be only available on my first env. You can check all of your installations in my first env with pip freeze. Let's take a look, and you can see that with installing Django, it also have installed other three modules, and that's good. That's what we want. Now in the desktop, let's carry on and create a Django project, and it's super simple. Look, Django dash admin start project my site is the name. Let's go on with the same name so we are on the same page. You can see here's the folder. It has yet one other folder inside with the same name and manage.py. And inside my site, you have settings, URLs, and ASGI and WSGI. Okay. Second step, let's go into my site and create a Django app like this. Python manage.py start app and then choose the name of the app. Let's name it news and create sort of a newspaper with the articles. It was successful, and now we have our app inside the project folder. Now it's easy to create apps. It's more difficult to understand when to create them, but you gain this sensibility with time. And in the end, it's not that difficult. So every time you have like a main feature of your project, maybe it's a good idea to create an app for that feature. Every time you install the app, we go to the text editor. I'm using VS Code. And in settings, my site settings, add your app to the installed apps list. It's that simple. Save it, and let's continue with migrations. So there's a lot to say about migrations. A lot, okay, some stuff to say about migrations. But initially, Django comes with some migration files. And all we have to do is to apply these migrations. So we can do python manage.py to migrate these files. And you can tell it's out admin, out sessions, etc. Now this basically created a database for us. And if we go back to the project folder, now you can see that we have the db.sqlite3 file, which is the Django standard database. You can change that in the future, by the way. Anyway, I will get back to this when we talk about the database. For now, I'm just gonna clean it and create a super user so we can access the dashboard. Let's go ahead with python manage.py, create super user, pick a username. Normally I put my email, then they ask you for your email, really, and choose a password. Could be anything. That's good. Now running a Django project. Super simple, and we'll use this command. quite frequently. Python manage.py run server. It's running when it looks something like this. It has some warning, but it's good. If you want to interrupt it in Windows, use Control C. I'm gonna run it back. I just wanted to let you know about that. Okay, now we can check how is it looking in the browser. Let me move this window here, open a new tab and go to localhost 8000, port 8000. And you should be seeing something like this. The install worked successfully. Congratulations. That's good. You can also check the dashboard at /admin with the super user we have just created. Log in, and you'll see something like this. Is your graphical interface to your database. And this is one of the reasons I was telling you about migrations this early, because I wanted you to see already the dashboard and the Django administration page. For now, it's super simple, and the default tables. Here's the user table, only one entry for the super user, and it's interesting. It's interesting. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like. I hope you are finding value. Let me know if there's something that you need to know better. And part 3, let's take a look on how to create templates, views, and URLs. Let's go!